May profits be upon you. Happy New Year 2025. Received a request to look at platinum, and we're going to do that for this coming week and beyond. All right, let's take a look at the monthly right now. You can see that price is in a terrible, terrible consolidation. Right, we've been in this this area for how long now? Huh? This is going on since what was that 2021? Yeah, just high, hit the high, hit the low. Right, that's fine. Where are we now? Interestingly enough, price has taken this low and this last candle, this December candle, took out the March low. All right, that's taken a lot of liquidity, but you see how the candle closed yesterday. Oh, the day before yesterday, actually. Uh, actually, it was yesterday. You see, it's hard, a very small wick. Lots of momentum coming down into this uh, to sweep these lows. This low and this low is likely, based on sheer proximity, the next low to go. All right, we're very close to it. All right, and we already taken out this low with a close below the low. That's very important. It didn't just wick up, because if it did just wick up like that, then you would say, well, price has some business to take care of up higher. All right, but when it closes below, that's indicating bearishness, and it indicates that there's probably some more to follow. Now, using the next candle theory, all right, when the the current candle closes below the low of the trading range of the previous candle, it it's likely to follow that with the next candle as a bearish candle, at least to take the low, at least to take that low. Okay, so what am I expecting on the next monthly candle? I'm expecting candle. See how it opened up for January already bullish. I believe this candle will end up going up and then flipping back down and leaving a nice wick above, like so. It's not going to go perfectly on the middle there, just to make my life easier. Oh, it's not going to make my life easier, but uh, we're probably going to get a wick something like that, which will leave a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap, from which price could come back up and then use it to go lower. You understand? But all of that is all of that could be coming. All right. Right now, you see how price opened up here, bullish. I'm looking for when it in its opening stages. I'm looking for price to climb up here and then turn back down towards these lows, towards the sell side liquidity. All right. We've already taken out an external range liquidity here. So internal is where price should be going. We should be on the lookout for a pullback and then down. On the lookout, I said. Okay. Now let's go to the weekly and see what we see there. What you can see is these big wicks. All right. That's very bearish. Price tried to get higher, tried to get higher, just couldn't do it. And the bears took over. And you see how much uh, momentum is in this candle, and it expanded well past the low of the previous weekly candle. So it's in all likelihood we're going to see price opened up bullish and then turn bearish. All right, at least to take that low out. You understand what I mean? All right. So this will be the first weekly target. Got it? That'll be my first sell side liquidity target. And then uh, this one from the November 2023 low. That'll be the next target. Yeah. We're going to go lower. We're going to go lower. This is very, very heavy. All right. And the pullback is not substantial. You understand? Look at these three expansion candles, and then this pullback. It's like maybe 30% of this range, and then we start to fall in a choppy way uh, beyond that. So I'm looking for price to pull back up and then down. Let's look at the daily. And what we can see is that we have developed fair value gaps, all right, which is telling us uh, that the order flow is bearish, all right. The sellers are in control here. This is the buy up. This is the buy up before the sell off. And when you see a buy up before the sell off that sweeps liquidity, and this one did, as you can see here, all right, swept these highs, swept this high. When you see that, this is likely a protected high, and as long as price stays below that, we should be looking for nothing but sells. And when price comes back up into supply, we have to take note, and we got to say, I will be looking for sells. You know, if this one here, not as much because it didn't expand here, and but it did close below that low. So I'm looking for price to turn around here. If it does not, then I'm looking at this as a full range. Watch, listen to me now. I'm looking at this as a full range from top to bottom. All right, from top to bottom. Which what do I mean by that? The swing high to the swing low. All right, and I'm looking to see if price gets above that 50% of this trading range. All right, then I will definitely be happy to take a short from up here all the way down. All right, no, without hesitation. Okay, let me make that black. All right, but until that happens, I'm looking at this area here first for price to use as a way to go, go further go further to the downside. Now, this is my area. Let me look. This is my area of daggone it. What is that about? This is my area of value. All right. My area of fair value. Up and then down. I'm looking for price to come back in here to there was no fair value offered in this bearish leg. I'm looking for price to come back and uh, either come back to equilibrium or into the premium of this range, and that's where you want to take shorts from. You want to take longs from discount, and but in a bearish market and in a downtrend, you want to look for opportunities to take that short. So it's shorts all the way. When this starts to pull up, hey, listen to me. When this starts to pull up, and as it's doing right here, all right, as it's already starting to do, when that starts to pull up, you can take longs if you want to. I would not suggest it. I would say be patient and wait for shorts because it can turn around and turn short, turn bearish at any point. So, because we're in a bearish market, you don't want to go take a trade counter to the trend. The trend is, that's right, your friend. So I'm looking for shorts here or better shorts from up here above this 50%, above the 50% of the trading range. All right, this is the area of fair value. I'm going to make that. All right, my line of delineation is pretty close to the 50%. So this is what I'll be looking for. All right. And I'm looking to hit this sell side liquidity here and here. This will be the first target. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave a like, hit the boost, and subscribe to the channel if you want to catch the updates or catch my new videos coming out. Thank you for watching, and may profits be upon you.